In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Teams two-factor authentication. Understanding how to adapt your authentication settings is crucial for maintaining the security of your account, so let's dive into how you can adjust these settings with ease. Firstly, head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll need to log in. Click on the Sign In button and enter your credentials. It's pretty straightforward, but remember, having your details ready speeds up the process. After you're signed in, take a glance at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, you'll want to select My Microsoft Account. This choice will navigate you away from Teams and direct you to the broader Microsoft account settings, which is exactly where you need to be. Now that you're on your Microsoft account page, we're going to focus on securing your account even further. Look for the security option and click on it. The security page is crucial because it controls how you protect your account and adjust settings like two-factor authentication. There might be an additional security step here. Microsoft could ask you to verify your identity by entering your password again. While it might feel like an extra hoop to jump through, it's an important one for ensuring that changes to your account are genuinely by you. Next, you'll possibly be prompted to click on Sign In once more. This step might crop up as part of Microsoft's layered security measures, especially if you're making sensitive changes to your account settings. Once securely logged in, your next destination within the security settings is the two-step verification section. Click on this to change how you receive or manage your two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, so managing this effectively is key to keeping your account secure. Now, to apply what we've adjusted in a practical Teams context, navigate over to Chat and then to your test group chat within Microsoft Teams. This move is about ensuring our settings changes integrate well with how you use Teams on a daily basis. Within your test group chat, click on Highlight. This action might seem oddly specific, but it's about honing in on aspects of your Teams environment that will interact with the changes you've just made. Lastly, we're going to venture into Settings. Within Settings, locate the Devices option and click on it. Following this path allows you to see and adjust the devices connected to your Teams, ensuring that your two-factor authentication properly covers all points of access. And there you have it, a secure, updated approach to managing your two-factor authentication in Microsoft Teams. Updating these settings might seem intricate, but it's all about enhancing the security of your digital workspace. Remember, regular checks and updates to your authentication settings ensure that you stay ahead of security threats, keeping your information safe. That wraps up our guide on changing Microsoft Teams two-factor authentication. Keeping your account secure is a continuous process, but with these steps, you're well on your way to ensuring that your Teams account remains protected. Stay safe, and see you in the next video for more helpful insights.